Hello, my name is Dario Romero and I'm an attorney here in Tempe, Arizona, and I practice in immigration and personal injury. So in this video, we'll be talking about the new case that just came out on July 16, 2021, that a federal judge blocked DACA. So what does that mean? In this video, we'll be talking about what the decision is, who does it apply to, and what is the next step after this decision. So basically, this is a case where a lot of states challenge whether or not DACA was actually valid. And the holding from this Texas district court judge, and here's his face, Judge Andrew Hanen, he held that the DACA memorandum that was issued in 2012 by the Obama administration was going to be vacated, and also he's remanding the memorandum back to DHS for them to reconsider everything so it can comply with the law. According to this decision, DHS can still accept new applications and renewals. However, it cannot approve the new applications unless ordered by another court, such as the Fifth Circuit Court or the Supreme Court of the United States. So let's talk about who it applies to. This immediately affects people who have not received DACA as of July 16, 2021. So if you have not had DACA before on that date, then this applies to you, even if your case is currently pending. Even if you filed it way before this decision, if it has not been approved, the orders are that DHS cannot approve this application. Now, from my reading, it doesn't apply to people who already had DACA or currently in the process of renewing. So again, if you have or had DACA as of July 16, 2021, this immediate order does not apply to you. The reason why it doesn't apply because the judge said that there was a lot at stake, that people have relied on the DACA work permits for almost a decade, so he didn't want to immediately affect that, but he did want to immediately stop those new applications. So what is next? I know one of the main questions is going to be, what about advanced parole? There's a lot of people who have advanced paroles pending. So that's when you ask the government permission to leave and come back from the United States if you have DACA. So from what I'm thinking, I don't think immigration will be approving these advanced paroles according to this decision. I'm not sure if they're just going to deny or they're just going to hold off on making a decision until something else comes. So it's kind of unclear at this moment, but I don't think that we'll be approving these pending advanced paroles. Can this decision be changed? If so, for how long? Yeah, it can be changed by a higher court. And that's usually the procedure when it comes to a lot of these cases. They get appealed and the higher court may agree or may disagree, and that might change this case. So again, will DHS deny the new applications? I'm not sure if they're going to make a formal denial or just kind of hold off and not approve the applications. It's unclear at the moment, so it can go either way. And another question is, like, how is the 2020 U.S. Supreme Court decision that came out last year, how does that affect this case? Because the Supreme Court is the highest court of the United States. So the difference in that case than in this case, the Supreme Court case, it was about when DHS, the government, canceled DACA on its own. And that's when it was under the Trump administration. The difference here is that states in the United States challenged whether or not DACA was valid. So it's two different things. One was the government canceling it, and now it's right now someone else challenging whether DACA is appropriate. Now, the other question is, can ICE or immigration come looking for you if you have a pending DACA? The judge in this case made a distinction. He just wanted to make it very clear that it did not require immigration to go look for people for criminal purposes or deportation. So according to the decision, it does not tell the government to do that. If you don't qualify for DACA, or if it's going to get denied, do you qualify for something else? It's possible. That's why I recommend getting a legal consultation with a licensed attorney to see if you have other options available. Sometimes people are married to US citizens, they have children, there's a lot of possibilities, but go to a licensed attorney. Do not compare your case to anyone else's, because only attorneys can give legal advice. This is definitely a blow to the DACA and immigration cases, but I do think that there's going to be a lot more litigation, and then there's going to be more changes, so who knows where the future goes. We kind of knew this was going to happen just because this judge has made a negative decision in the past relating to DACA, so that's why I knew new applications was a window of opportunity. So I'm surprised that it took this long for this case to come out, but I did not think it was going to go exactly the way it did. All right, so hopefully this video was informative. Again, if you have any legal questions, contact an attorney in your area. If you're in the Phoenix Valley, give me a call, 602-675-7575. Thank you.